The visual aspects of candlestick analysis makes it much easier to identify which way a trend is probably going to go. As we can see, there's kind of a trend channel right along this area, and every time it got down to this support area, we started seeing candlestick buy signals. There's our little cradle pattern, which tells us there's going to be a strong uptrend. Where was our likely uptrend? Basically, you could draw a trend channel right through the tops and parallel right through the bottoms. That makes this our likely target up to this point. So the uptrend's still in progress, but you'd be a little bit more diligent to see what type of candlestick signals are going to occur once and if we hit this level. That same visual analysis was pretty much effective for the NASDAQ as well. As we can see, there's a trend channel up here that we haven't quite gotten to the top of the trend channel, but we're getting close. Stochastics in the overbought area. So will it resist at this level? We're not sure, but the capabilities of analyzing it becomes much better knowing what type of signals we should expect once it hits a resistance level. And the major advantage of knowing which way the overall trend is going, which way the overall trend of the market is going, and what the investor sentiment in that trend allows a candlestick investor to take advantage of patterns that produce big price moves like we saw a couple weeks ago in our RMTI recommendation. Nothing more than a slow curve breakout potential. These are very high probability trade situations. We know when the probabilities of a strong breakout are going to occur, and we know what the results are after a strong breakout. This is what we usually call a 45 degree, which is staying above our T line as well as our 3T line. That same result occurred today, coming out of a slow curve situation, and they gapped up KNDI, which was on our recommended list, and notice the type of return, about a 27% return in this trade. This is because investor sentiment works the same way time after time. All we're doing is identifying where the probabilities are that a trade could be going in your direction. We also recommended EGLE today on a positive open because of this slow curve setup. Again, do we always expect a 30% move in a trade? Not necessarily. It's just that the investor sentiment buildup occurs time after time, that the probabilities of being in one of these trade situations become immensely improved. So these are good setups for the stock trader as well as the option trader, knowing that you're going to be in the right place at the right time. That'll be it. We'll see you in the chat rooms.